So hi guys, today we're gonna be making egg omelette roll. It has like few ingredients, you don't really need much, and it's super easy. It's great for breakfast, lunch or brunch. Today we have some carrots, and as you can see you have these nice leeks or spring onions. In Korea here we also use this green part. So we prepared 6 eggs. They're a little bit small in sizes, they're about medium at best. And of course we're not gonna use all the carrots and leeks or scallions here because we only have 6 eggs. Maybe these are too much for it, but we will see how it goes. And one secret tip for making this egg omelette roll is a shot of Sprite. You can see this is Korean Sprite. It's called cider. I know it's different from the cider as you guys know it. And here's our shot glass. The reason why we're putting Sprite into this dish is that it lightens up the texture and it gives that nice acidity and sweetness to it. You guys might not believe it at first, but trust me and give it a try. It's gonna be so different and you're gonna love it. Why don't we get started by cracking an egg first? So when you crack an egg or any eggs, it's always good if you have a separate bowl. So you're gonna crack an egg in here first and then transfer it to the bowl. So that way you don't get any shells from it. Okay, let's get started. It might seem like a lot of work, but it's actually not. It's better than having that egg. Now it's time for carrots. So we've finished cutting carrots, so now it's time for scallion. Now some green parts. In goes the spring onions. So we finished putting in some veggies, now it's time for some meat. So when a certain ingredient seems a little too much for one dish, then you can always stop there and leave them, because it might just ruin your dish if you continue to use them. Moderation is a key. And don't forget about salt and pepper. And now it's time for Sprite. We're gonna have 1 shot of Sprite. And start to beat again. So I guess we're done beating and it's time for cooking. So it's important to get your pan really hot. So if you cannot find any rectangular pan like this, you can always use just round regular pan. The mechanism is the same, so you can always try to use the same method in that frying pan. Always make sure you use non-stick, because otherwise like iron skillets or stainless pans are never gonna work. So you're gonna oil this pan first. You need enough oil for this. And don't pour the mixture at once, but you're gonna need to divide it. So when it starts to cook like this, fold the egg. And then lift your egg up. Then pour the mixture in. So after cooking egg omelette roll like this, it's also important, just like meat, you need to rest it because inside it's still hot and it's gonna be so fluffy they might collapse. So we are still waiting for that perfect temperature so we can actually cut into this. So that's our egg omelette roll, and we're gonna finish with some garnishes and sauce. Well, basically ketchup, right?